Let us find the radius of the circle. If one of the chord, let's say AB, measures 3 centimeters. Of course, this much of information is not enough to find the radius of the circle. And we got another chord CD that measures 5 centimeters. Is this much of information enough? No. Further, we are given that BD is the diameter of the circle. Is this much of information enough? Again, no. Lastly, we are told that AC is perpendicular to BD. Hey, this much of information is enough to find the radius of circle, and let's do it. We know that AC is the chord if O denotes the center and OB is perpendicular to AC, then we know that OB must bisect AC. In other words, AM must be equal to CM. That's because a line that passes through the center of the circle and is perpendicular to the chord must bisect the chord. Now, let us join AD. We know that angle in a semicircle is a right angle, so angle DAB must measure 90 degrees or it is a right angle. DB is the diameter and angle in a semicircle is a right angle, so angle DAB must measure 90 degrees. Further, as M is the middle point of AC, AM equal to MC, we consider two triangles DMA and DMC. In those two triangles, DM equal to DM, that's the common side, angle DMA equal to angle DMC, both measure 90 degrees, and line AM equal to line CM. So we can apply side angle side congruence to say that those two triangles are congruent. Once again, triangle DMA is congruent to triangle DMC. Since the corresponding part of congruent triangle are equal, it follows that DA equal to DC, but we are given DC to measure 5 centimeters, and thus we conclude that DA measures 5 centimeters as well. Now consider the triangle DAB. It is a right angle triangle. We know the length of perpendicular, we know the length of base, and we can find the hypotenuse. Further, hypotenuse is diameter of the circle, and diameter must be equal to 2 times radius. Now let us apply Pythagorean theorem. By Pythagorean theorem, square of hypotenuse 2r whole thing square must be equal to sum of square of perpendicular, that is 5 square, and square of base, that is 3 square, or 2r whole thing square equal to 25 plus 9, that's equal to 34. Once again, 2r square equal to 34. We take the root on both sides to say that 2r equal to root 34. Lastly, r equal to root 34 divided by 2 centimeter, and thus radius of circle equal to root 34 by 2 centimeter.